recording?
Yeah.
In today's episode, we're going to be doing SYLVANIA headlight install. My old light bulb burnt out on the JALOPY van, so we're going to be doing that. It's a 2005 Gmc Savana. We got these from Amazon, 20 bucks. Code is H6054. That's the code for the light. So this is the standard bulb that comes with it. It's a one-piece design. So the prongs sticking out. So it's sealed, it's one piece. There's two types of designs. There's the old school way, this one, and the new one, like that takes H13 for example, bulb. They just put it in, turn, and it locks in place, and there's your light bulb. Burns if it burns out. Twist it, pull out, replace the new bulb, put it back in, voila, you're done. The housing stays in the vehicle. And the old school GMC's Savanas and the Chevy Express vans, the old school ones is a one-piece design, so you have to buy the whole thing. This is 20 bucks. The JALOPY, it's like 3 years old now, but it doesn't justify to do an LED conversion on it because the LED conversion is like 120 bucks. And this is $20, and I call it the $0 JALOPY because I do not want to waste a penny on it. So that's why I don't want to upgrade the lights. Okay, what are we gonna do, bro? Okay, so you can see from the lights, driver's side works, passenger side doesn't work. So I'm gonna remove it and we're gonna install it. Okay. The tools needed to install the light bulb, the new light bulb housing, star screwdriver and WD-40. Inside here there's 4 little star screws in here, Phillips, as you want to say, and that holds the ring, this silver ring that goes all the way around the bulb. It just holds that, those 4 screws. So if you unscrew it, I use WD-40 because they get rusted. So just if you unscrew them, the whole thing is gonna pop out. And you just install the new one, and then you're good to go. There's one screw. Screw. JALOPY only has 3 screws. It's special. It's a special truck and stuff. So there's the metal ring that goes around the housing. So it has these little tabs. So 1 screw, 2 screw, 3 screw. In my situation, I'm lucky. I don't have the 4th one. So it holds in place. Don't worry, it works and stuff. So put that on the side. The old light bulb just pops out like this. Goes out. There's your connection for the wiring harness. So wiggle that out, pop it out, that's it. So this is the old one. This goes into the garbage. We'll put in the new one. Okay. So we got the new ones. Take out the safety little prong thingy jiggy. Take the wiring harness. It's like a T. Put it in. And that's it. That's all it needs. Put it in like that. Get your screws ready. It helps if you have a magnetic screwdriver. Just put the ring over the light bulb. Line up the holes. If you could find it. Some plain doctor. You know the game? The game for the kids? You're trying, Operation. Trying to play Operation with these screws and trying to line everything. for the metal ring to align up. And that's it. See? Look at that. I like new. Alright, let's try this. Works?
Like brand new.
Yeah, there we go. See? For 20 bucks, what do you expect? They're so horrible. So horrible. But they work. That's that. Now we're gonna do some other modifications. We're gonna do our legendary airbox. See the lovely airbox? It always loosens up. These little hinges are old and they loosen up, and then when you're driving they just open up. So we're gonna do easy fix on that. It's for the airbox. I use good old duct tape. Duct tape fixes all. Well, PL and DAP works the best, but I need access to this thing maybe like in the next 2 years and stuff from now. So I don't want to use the PL or DAP because that's permanent. I'll just put a little tape around it, all the way around it. Does it go all the way around? No. Not good enough. Okay. So just holds that a little bit down. A little bit more duct tape. More duct tape. Look at that. See, like new. Ah, shit. That thing ain't going nowhere. And now, on cherry on top, we'll put 1/2 inch wood screw with number 2 Robinson. We put it here on the top. Now, this thing ain't going nowhere. And stuff. It's an easy fix. That works. Another problem I have on the Jalopy here is the rubber seal on the rod for the transmission oil doesn't hold in place. You lock it, it'll just pop right out kind of thing. So my fix is take some duct tape, duct tape it onto the shaft, push it in, press it down in there, press it in there like that. Let it hold a little bit, and then take a zip tie that I have, put it around the duct tape. Clamp it down like that, and that's it. Take some shears, got some shears to cut the end, and then that's it. So that's not gonna move out anymore, it's not gonna go anywhere. Another simple fix for the Jalopy. We're gonna do put some engine cooler in there. It's winter time. Winter time's coming. Okay. I think it's antifreeze. I don't know. Maybe it's water. Oh, it's antifreeze. It's antifreeze. You fill up some antifreeze in the Jalopy. Just a little bit. Okay, so that's good. It's winter time right now. You can't be using water. So we use water, we're gonna crack the block when it gets really cold. Okay, so that's done, that's done. Oil
Do you have
fill.
washer fluid?
Okay. Washer fluid. So we're gonna be doing this like a renovation on the jalopy. Once a year. There we go. That's full. So that's done. So under the engine is done for now. Look at that. Look at the air box. That's so beautiful. Look at that thing. It's awesome. Close up jalopy. I'm gonna do one more modification inside that I do once a year because this is jalopy and stuff. Try to waste no money on this thing at all. So we're gonna go on the passenger side. I'm gonna go driver's side. All right. Over. That's there. Okay. I'm gonna be fixing my armrest. My good old armrest. So, this is the best way ever. Use duct tape. Fix it up. So do it like this. And it'll get me another year of use out of it before I gotta tape it up all over again. See? Look at that. Alright. That's it. Look at that armrest. Look at that. It's like a Cadillac now. That's it. This is my jalopy. I like the jalopy. One of my best cars ever that I own. I could care less about it. Takes me from point A to point B. It is a piece of garbage and stuff. Top speed is 120 if you're very lucky. It goes to 120 and stuff. It has no balls. The motor has absolutely no balls in it to push the weight of this vehicle. But it works. For me not to waste a penny on it, kind of thing, and just to drive, it's good enough. I got my guard dog right there too and stuff.